Our planet holds countless mysteries. From the depths of the oceans to the highest mountain peaks, there are places that remain unexplored, untouched by human hands. These hidden corners of the world are filled with wonder and intrigue, waiting to be discovered by those brave enough to venture into the unknown. Hidden realms whisper of secrets long forgotten. Ancient civilizations have left behind traces of their existence, buried under layers of earth and time. These remnants tell stories of a past that is both fascinating and mysterious, offering glimpses into the lives of those who came before us. Forbidden places beckon with the allure of the unknown. Desolate deserts, abandoned castles, and remote islands all hold secrets that have yet to be uncovered. These places, often shrouded in mystery and legend, captivate our imaginations and inspire us to seek out the truth. From ancient texts to modern whispers, stories of these hidden places ignite our imaginations. Old, leather-bound books and ancient scrolls contain knowledge that has been passed down through generations, preserving the mysteries of the past. These texts are windows into a world that is both familiar and foreign, offering clues to the secrets that lie hidden. They spark our curiosity and drive us to uncover the truth. The thrill of discovery, the excitement of unearthing something long forgotten, fuels our desire to explore. Whether it's a dark tunnel or an ancient artifact, each new find brings us one step closer to understanding the mysteries of our world. What lies hidden from our view? Beneath the surface of the water, within the depths of dense forests, and in the shadows of ancient ruins, there are treasures waiting to be found. These hidden gems are a testament to the beauty and complexity of our planet, reminding us that there is always more to discover. What secrets are buried beneath layers of earth and time? Archaeologists and explorers dedicate their lives to uncovering these secrets, digging through the earth to reveal the stories that have been hidden for centuries. Each discovery adds a new piece to the puzzle, helping us to understand the history of our world. The human spirit yearns to explore, to understand, to pierce the veil of secrecy. Our innate curiosity drives us to seek out the unknown, to push the boundaries of what we know and venture into uncharted territory. This desire to explore is a fundamental part of who we are, fueling our quest for knowledge and discovery. Join me as we journey into the heart of Earth's hidden realms. Together we will uncover the secrets that lie beneath the surface, explore the mysteries that have captivated humanity for centuries, and discover the beauty and wonder of the unknown. The adventure awaits. Across the globe, military bases exist in shrouds of secrecy. Surrounded by fences, guarded by armed personnel, these places are off-limits to the public. Area 51 in the Nevada desert is perhaps the most infamous example. Rumors swirl around these bases. Tales of advanced technology, captured alien spacecraft, and secret experiments fuel our fascination. Governments remain tight-lipped, fueling conspiracy theories and deepening the mystery. The deepest parts of our oceans remain largely unexplored. The Mariana Trench, a scar on the ocean floor, plunges deeper than Mount Everest is tall. The pressure at these depths is crushing, the darkness absolute. Yet life finds a way. Bizarre creatures, adapted to this extreme environment, lurk in the abyss. Giant squid, bioluminescent jellyfish, and creatures yet to be discovered call these trenches home. Exploring these depths is a technological challenge, but the rewards for scientific discovery are immense. Legends abound of lost civilizations swallowed by the sea. The story of Atlantis, a technologically advanced society that vanished beneath the waves, has captivated imaginations for centuries. Could these stories be more than myth? Underwater ruins off the coast of Japan, the Yonaguni Monument, hint at the possibility of ancient submerged structures. Were these built by humans, or are they natural formations mistaken for something more? The ocean holds its secrets close, but perhaps one day we will unlock the truth. Section 5. The Hollow Earth Theory, Fact or Fiction. For centuries, a curious theory has persisted. The Earth is hollow. This idea, known as the Hollow Earth Theory, has fascinated people for generations. It suggests that beneath the Earth's crust there are vast empty spaces, possibly even entire worlds. Some believe that vast caverns exist beneath our feet, possibly even harboring advanced civilizations. These hidden societies are thought to possess knowledge and technology far beyond our own, living in secret away from the surface world. While mainstream science dismisses this theory, it continues to intrigue. The idea of a hollow Earth has been featured in numerous books, movies, and television shows, capturing the imagination of many. Despite the lack of scientific evidence, the theory persists, fueled by a mix of historical texts, myths, and speculative fiction. Could there be any truth to these claims? Proponents of the hollow Earth theory point to various anomalies and unexplained phenomena as evidence. They argue that certain geological formations and magnetic anomalies could be signs of hidden underground spaces. While the existence of a hollow Earth is highly unlikely, the idea speaks to our innate desire to explore the unknown. The concept of hidden worlds beneath our feet taps into a deep-seated curiosity and a longing for adventure. It reminds us that there is still much we don't know about our own planet. The Earth's interior remains a place of mystery, ripe for exploration and scientific discovery. As technology advances, we continue to learn more about the complex and dynamic processes that shape our planet. Whether or not the hollow Earth theory holds any truth, it serves as a reminder of the endless possibilities that await us in the pursuit of knowledge. Section 6. Secret societies and underground networks. Throughout history, secret societies have operated beneath the surface of society. From the Freemasons to the Illuminati, these groups are shrouded in secrecy and ritual. Rumors abound of their influence on global events and their pursuit of hidden knowledge. Do these societies hold the keys to ancient wisdom? Are they guardians of secrets passed down through generations? The truth remains elusive, hidden within the labyrinthine corridors of history and conspiracy. Section 7. Sonar scans and satellite visuals, glimpses into hidden worlds. Technology provides us with glimpses into hidden realms. These realms, often inaccessible and mysterious, hold secrets that have fascinated humanity for centuries. From the depths of our oceans to the far reaches of our atmosphere, advanced tools like sonar and satellite imagery are revolutionizing our understanding of the world. Sonar scans map the ocean floor, revealing underwater mountains, trenches, and even shipwrecks. These scans allow us to visualize the topography of the ocean bed, uncovering features that were once hidden from view. The detailed images produced by sonar technology help scientists and explorers navigate these underwater landscapes with unprecedented accuracy. Satellite imagery can penetrate cloud cover and vegetation, revealing ancient structures and lost civilizations. These images provide a bird's-eye view of the Earth's surface, allowing us to detect patterns and formations that are invisible to the naked eye. By analyzing these images, archaeologists can uncover the remnants of ancient cities and understand the historical significance of these sites and patterns on the Earth's surface. These patterns, often formed by natural processes or human activity, tell stories of the past. They reveal how landscapes have changed over time and how ancient civilizations interacted with their environment. The ability to see these patterns from above provides a unique perspective on our planet's history. These tools offer tantalizing clues about what lies hidden. Sonar and satellite technologies are like keys that unlock the doors to these hidden worlds. They provide data that can be analyzed and interpreted, leading to new discoveries and insights. The information gathered from these tools helps us piece together the puzzle of our planet's past and present. They spark our imagination and fuel our desire to explore further. The images and data captured by these technologies inspire curiosity and wonder. They encourage scientists, researchers, and enthusiasts to ask questions and seek answers. This drive to explore and understand is at the heart of human nature. With each technological advancement, we come closer to unlocking the secrets of our planet. As technology continues to evolve, so too does our ability to explore and understand the world around us. The future holds endless possibilities for discovery, and with the help of these advanced tools, we are poised to uncover the hidden wonders of our Earth. Section 8. The thrill of discovery, unraveling Earth's mysteries. The pursuit of knowledge, the thrill of discovery, these are fundamental human drives. The allure of the unknown, the possibility of uncovering something truly remarkable, keeps us exploring, questioning, and pushing the boundaries of our understanding. Whether it's a hidden military base, a deep-sea trench, or a long-lost city, each discovery brings us closer to understanding the complexities of our planet and our place within its grand tapestry. Section 9. the unquenchable human spirit, forever seeking, forever wondering. The human spirit is innately curious. We are driven to explore, to understand, to seek answers to the universe's greatest mysteries. The hidden realms of our planet, both real and imagined, will continue to fascinate and inspire us. As long as there are mysteries to solve and secrets to uncover, the human spirit will never cease to explore, to wonder and to dream of what lies hidden just